Welcome to
Fan
Let's assemble a covered truck. Ready. First, let's fuel the covered truck.
Yay!
Don't stop. Let's install the drip irrigation system. And now let's wash the covered truck. Ready. Let's assemble a film laying machine.
Yay!
That's all. And now we need to fuel the film laying machine.
Yay!
Don't stop. Let's place the protective film on the soil and form rows.
Yay!
We need to wash the film laying machine. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble a tractor with carriage.
Yay!
Keep up the good work. And now we need to fuel the tractor with carriage.
Yay!
You're doing really great. Let's buy strawberry seedlings and load them into a truck. We need to wash the tractor with carriage. Don't stop. First, let's assemble a transplanter.
Yay!
Keep up the good work. First, let's fuel the transplanter. fun! Let's plant strawberries in the prepared planting holes. Let's wash the transplanter. Ready. Let's assemble a strawberry trimmer. Hooray! Let's fuel the strawberry trimmer. Amazing! Let's trim the strawberry beds. And now let's wash the strawberry trimmer. Keep it up.